That's the turtle? Like, is it somebody's
Water puppet theater. This turtle here.
$2?
Yes, definitely.
Perfect. It's not too small.
There's a lot of kids.
We're gonna walk around and go to the lake, and there's like a nice bridge at the lake that goes over to a small temple. So we're gonna visit that.
We're gonna go to the temple.
Yeah.
See the dead turtles.
To walk around town, you definitely need one of these portable fans to fan you off, to cool you off. Since walking outside is very humid and hot, so these will definitely help. You can either buy this online before you travel to Vietnam,
Cool cat.
or you can buy these in Vietnam.
That t-shirt
They
store
sell
that we
plenty
saw on
around here, like
YouTube.
just like this store right here.
Yeah.
Walking by, and they have a lot of fans. See a lot of alleys, small alley like this, where people go in inside. That's where they live inside. Like
That's a street. Should we go in?
What is that?
Like, is it somebody's house?
Yeah.
Let's go in and see.
Why?
I just want to see what's in here. It's like a different street back here. Wow. See?
wow, so like that's like houses here. Wow.
Or like it's a store. Wow. So we haven't seen these in Saigon. So it's a different, just a totally different layout than Ho Chi Minh City.
So walking along the street in the daytime is much less traffic than nighttime. Yeah, as nightfall, I guess like people tend to come out, so the streets are much crowded. So it looks like this place is the specialty is the papaya salad with beef jerky. Yeah, we passed this place at nighttime yesterday. It was very packed. So hopefully we're able to get to try it later on today. So this is the water puppet theater.
Like in the water.
Popular place
The
where a
ones
lot
where
of
they're in water.
tourists
Yep.
will come here and check out the tradition of Hanoi. It's the water puppet. A lot of snacks and souvenir, t-shirts, hats. So we're on the lake side now. Gotta go across that red bridge over there. So there's a lot of vendors selling fruits. This is Hoan Kiem Lake, meaning Lakes of the Retorn Sword. In the past, the lake's name was Luk Tui Lake, meaning Green Water Lake. It is one of the major scenic spots in the city around the Old Quarter. Right in the center is the lake of Ngoc Son Temple, connected by the Red Walking Bridge. A sacred temple, along with other architecture, has been the pride of the people of Hanoi for hundreds of years. Son Temple. So you gotta buy your ticket here. Look like they open from Monday to Thursday from 7 to I think 7 o'clock. And Friday they open from 7 a.m. to 10 p.m.
Hai người lớn một trẻ em là. Oh yeah, okay, yeah. So it's 50,000 Vietnam. So it's $2 per person. The child is free.
Oh, that's good.
Pretty good. It's to enter the temple. I think the bridge is free.
Yeah.
Entry
Here's
ticket,
a
sorry.
map of the temple. So we are right here. We're across the bridge.
You want a picture?
To go to the temple.
Huh?
That's where the
Okay.
turtle is being preserved at.
Train?
So here's
used
a
to
little
go
history.
there.
The old
Yeah.
souvenirs,
Used
Hoan
to.
Kiem Lake and Ngoc Son
Yeah.
Temple.
Used to.
With,
I don't know.
being able to go around with train. This is the picture of the turtle sunbathing. So apparently this turtle died in 2016, not too long ago, about 10 years ago.
It's very clean.
Yeah, it's clean and peaceful here.
Yeah.
Overall, the lake is pretty clean. Okay, after crossing the bridge, the bridge is not that long, and we finally made it to the entrance of the Ngoc Son Temple. See, apparently that's the history, is where the turtle is carrying the sword.
Very peaceful.
So there's like a walking path on the side of the temple, so you can get
Oh
to
my
the back
gosh.
of it.
This is a Logan train.
Yeah, it's definitely much cooler to walk in here under all these
that's
shade.
cute. What?
So yeah, you don't need a fan
little boat.
in here. Much cooler. So this is the place where they sell like fruits and incense for you to buy,
Mellow too?
so you can burn some incense and pay some respect to the temple.
Oh wow. Right here.
So this is the entrance
Cody, look.
to the turtle. Go in there and you walk around.
There's the turtle.
Go out the other side.
Oh. So that's how big the turtle was? Is this a statue?
No, it's a preserve.
That's the turtle
So this is the turtle
that they preserved?
that they preserve.
It's huge. Compared to my hand.
According to the legend, after defeating the Ming Dynasty, Emperor Leilai was boating on the lake when a golden turtle surfaced and asked for the magical sword back, symbolizing the peace after the war in the 15th century, and disappeared into the depth of the lake. There is a turtle tower built in the 1800s in the center of the lake to honor the legend of the turtle and the hero Leilai. The turtle died in 1967 from injury caused by the abusive fishermen. The turtle body was preserved and placed on display in the temple, known to be weighted at 440 pounds and 6 feet long. Witnesses believe there are at least 2 to 3 turtles living in the lakes, and the most recent one that died was in 2016. This one was passed away in 1967. Initially, the tourist attraction was named Ngoc Son Pagoda. However, in Vietnamese culture, pagodas serve as a place of Buddhism practice, while temples are dedicated to worship and historical figures. Therefore, soon after construction, it was renamed to change to Ngoc Son Temple. The temple symbolized the god of prosperity in ancient Chinese culture and philosophy. For many years, proof of diverse religious beliefs in Vietnam have coexisted in peace, contributing in unity of the nation. The temple is small, took us about 20 minutes to go through everything. We are now walking back on this beautiful bridge. It would be nice to stop in the middle of the bridge to capture the stunning scenery of the green colored lake in the background. But due to many people in the background, it was hard to snap a shot. We highly recommend it to travel during the winter months, which will be much more comfortable for tourists that are coming from the west. So walking around the lakes, if you need to go restroom, there a public restroom here
Oh, nice.
that you can
Restroom.
use. We're crossing the street to get some coffee right now. Try to get some AC.
Want some
Too hot.
AC,
Needs to
Cody?
cool down.
Yeah.
Okay, in here.
Is that
So we're
Coffee
going
shop.
to Fela's Specialty
probably
Tea
juice.
and Shop.
Oh,
Yeah, this brand is all over in Ho Chi Minh City also. Place kind of small. Some dessert down here too. Basically, a good spot to sit and drink coffee and people watching. Passing by on motorbikes, car, buses.
here's our drinks.
and mine?
The oolong milk tea, right? Yep, oolong milk tea.
With oolong boba.
Yep. And this is supposed to be
Apricot cold brewed tea.
yeah. Well, it's too bad. Like it's not a clear cup. You can see the you can see the inside.
Cups. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I think because here they also try to do like environmental friendly cups. And some places have like really good bamboo straws or compost straws.
Yeah. These straw are way better than the paper straw.
In the US.
Yeah, 'cause it doesn't get soggy after a while.
I'm sure it looks really good, but you can't see it. And it has like a jelly. Has some kind of tea jelly in here, so they gave me a spoon. So, wow. Look, it's like a... See? It's like a flower. There's something in it.
Oh, yeah.
It's soft and it's really fragrant. A little bit sweet. Try the tea now. It's 100% like sweetness here. Perfect. It's not too sweet or anything. Wow. So refreshing.
So 2 of these drinks was 143,000. So about $6 USD for 2 drinks, so about $3 each.
And that's because we're in like a nicer coffee shop. If you get the ones that are in like the smaller, more local spots, it's probably $1.50 or $2 each.
We're trying to buy a hat here for Cody. So they sell like a knockoff LA hat for kids. And they quoted 150,000 for the hat, which is about $6. We'll try the hat go down to about $5. Even though I'm sure the hat go down much cheaper, but it's okay. You know, we bought the hat for Cody. We did not bargain down since the price was pretty good already. I mean, compared to us, you know, it's like about $6. It's you know, pretty good. It's affordable. It's cheap already. You know, we don't want to be those people that try to go down to the very, very last cents to it. We're walking through this alley here where they sell clothing. A lot of clothing on both sides. Yeah, there's a lot of kids' clothes here too. Even traditional aoya right there for kids. Look, what the fuck? It's a panda eating pho in Vietnam. We're made for each other. They have a lot of little toys where they can lure kids in, like these lafufu looking thing and capybara, baby tree. So what did you just buy? A plushie, a teapot plushie that you know in Roblox? Happy with it?
Yep.
It's $5.
Yep. Wait, what?
It's $5. Oh, I guess he's happy with it.